Welcome 8th standard. Welcome to GK class. Take your GK textbook and do along with me. Okay. Your first chapter is Blooming Dales. First chapter is Blooming Dales. Okay, listen. First, read the description and tick the correct answer. Okay, read along with me. This country is known as the land of tulips. When these flowers bloom in springtime, the countryside turns into a colorful landscape. The capital of this country is Amsterdam. Okay, this country is known as land of tulips. Its capital is Amsterdam, which is answer Netherlands. Okay, tick Netherlands. Second, the tiny yellow fragrant flowers of the golden wattle are the national flower of this country. The country is home to kangaroos, emus and koalas. This country is the home of kangaroos, emus and koalas. Which is answer Australia. Okay, tick Australia. Third one, the national flower of this country is blue poppy. Its national flower is this country's national flower is blue poppy, a Himalayan wildflower. This country is known as the land of thunder dragon. This country is known as the land of thunder dragon. Okay, answer Bhutan. Answer is Bhutan. Okay, fourth one. This African country is known for its national parks and game management areas. Its capital is Lusaka. Its capital is Lusaka. This country's national flower is the pink bougainvillea. This country's national flower is pink bougainvillea. It is well known for national park and game management. Its capital is Lusaka, which is answer Zambia. Answer is Zambia. Okay. Next, write the name of flowers. Next topic is write the name of flowers. You write the name of flowers in your textbook. This white fragrant flower is commonly found in Asia, Africa and Europe. It is known as the queen of night. This flower is known as the queen of night. It is the national flower of Pakistan. It is the national flower of Pakistan. What is the answer? Jasmine. Answer is jasmine. You are very familiar, jasmine. Okay. Second, William Wordsworth wrote a poem on this flower. It is representative of the culture of Wales. The flower is usually golden yellow in color. Representative of the culture of Wales means it has its own language, custom, politics, holidays, music, etc. Okay. What is the answer? The flower is usually golden yellow in color. What is that flower? Daffodil. This is daffodil. Okay. Next, the daisy-like flower is the national flower of Russia. This is the national flower of Russia. It has white petals. In this picture, you can see it has white petals with a distinctive yellow center. Center portion yellow color and smells like an apple. Apple smell. What is the answer? Chamomile. Answer is chamomile. What is this word? Chamomile. Okay. Next page, Farmer's World. Next topic is Farmer's World. How much do you know about the food that you eat? Read the description and write the names. Choose from the box. The words are in the boxes are sugarcane, carrot, tomato, potato, onion, barley, maize, rice. Okay, these are the options in the box. You have to find out answer from the box. Okay, first one, I am the staple food of almost half the population of the world. I was first cultivated in China. I grow in hot and humid climates. I am also known as paddy. What is the answer? I am the staple food of almost half the population of the world. Staple food means important food. What is the answer? Rice. Answer is rice. Okay. Second one, I was first cultivated in South America and Central America. I am a juicy fruit, red in color, and am usually used as vegetable. What is the answer? I am red in color and usually used as a vegetable. Answer is tomato. Okay. I am bulb shaped and grow at the base of the stem. I can be red, white or yellow in color. I cause eyes to water then chopped. Okay. Bulb shape ആണ് stem ബേസിലാണ് കാണുന്നത്. I can be red color, white color, yellow കളറിലുണ്ട്. I cause eyes to water then chopped. Chop ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്ത് വെള്ളം വരും കണ്ടില്ലേ. What is the answer? Onion. Okay. I am one of the most nutritious food ആണ്. I grow in ears which are covered with kernels or seeds. ഞാൻ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇയേഴ്സിന്റെ ഷേപ്പിലാണുള്ളത്. എന്നെ കവർ ചെയ്തിട്ട് സീഡ്സ് ഉണ്ട്. That seeds are covered in long, soft, silk-like threads protect the kernels. Kernels ne cover ചെയ്തിട്ട് long, soft, silk-like threads ഉണ്ട്, which are encased in a husk of tightly wrapped leaves. What is the answer? Answer is maize. Fourth one answer, maize. Okay. Fifth, I have long fibrous stalks which are crushed to extract the juice. This juice is processed in factories to produce sweet substance that is used in cooking. That also you are familiar. What is the answer? Long fibrous stalk ആണുള്ളത്. And extra crush ചെയ്താൽ juice കിട്ടും. This juice is processed in factories to produce that sweety substance, that is sugar. What is the answer? Sugarcane. Okay. Sixth one, I am a starchy tuberous root vegetable. I am starchy tuberous. Tuberous means underground. Root vegetable with yellowish brown skin. I am a good source of vitamin B6, potassium and carbohydrate. What is the answer? Potato. Sixth one answer, potato. I am a root vegetable, usually red or orange in color. I am rich in vitamin A and beta carotene. I am root vegetable, usually red or orange in color. I am rich in vitamin A and beta carotene. Answer is carrot. Seventh one answer, carrot. Okay. Eighth one, I am a cereal crop, mainly used in soups and stews. ഞാനൊരു cereals ആണ്. Mainly used in soups and stews. സൂപ്പിലും സ്റ്റൂസിലും ഒക്കെ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. And the staple ingredient in traditional Tibetan cuisine. ടിബറ്റിയൻസിന്റെ കിച്ചണിലെ മെയിൻ ingredient ആണ്. Cuisine means kitchen. Cuisine, Tibetan cuisine. I am the major ingredient in traditional Tibetan cuisine. I am also used as animal fodder. I am also used as animal fodder. Animalന്റെ എന്താണ് ഫുഡായിട്ടും യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. മൃഗങ്ങളുടെ കാലിത്തീറ്റയായിട്ടും യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ആനിമലിന്റെ ഫുഡായിട്ട് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ. Mainly used in soups and stews. What is the answer? Barley. Answer is barley. Okay. Understood? Write all answers into your textbook and study well. Okay, stop here. Thank you. Study.